So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to clear your recently viewed listings here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, I want you to go to the top right and press on your account, and then press on view your profile, and then press on edit public profile. Once you're here, go to where it says privacy right here and select that. Once privacy is selected, it'll save your recently viewed listings. So you'll actually be able to see your recently viewed listings. And if you want to clear that, simply just go ahead and press on clear recently viewed listings. A little pop-up will say listing history cleared. And yeah, there you go. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to clear your recently viewed listings on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.